The Corps commander level talks between India and China over the second phase of the disengagement along the LAC have concluded at the Chushul border post in eastern Ladakh. The meeting lasted for 15 hours. The talk began at Chushul post on the Indian side at around 11:30 a.m. yesterday and ended at 12 a.m. on July 15. The meeting went on for 15 hours. The main agenda of the meeting was about Chinese People's Liberation Army removing tanks, artillery and additional forces at the Pangong Lake and Depsang areas in eastern Ladakh. Talk centers on the Pangong Lake and Depsang areas. Meanwhile, there are reports of Chinese government pressurizing families of soldiers who died in the border clash with India in Galwan Valley not to conduct burials in-person funeral ceremonies in an attempt to cover up an episode that Beijing appears to consider a blunder. China is taking a leaf out of Pakistan's book in covering up casualties in its border clash with India so as to not inflame domestic public opinion, even as its misadventure coming on the heels of the coronavirus pandemic it exported had hardened US and world opinion on Beijing. According to an American intelligence assessment cited by the US News, the Chinese government is pressurizing families of soldiers who died in a violent border clash with India on June not to conduct burials and in-person funeral ceremonies in an attempt to cover up an episode that Beijing appears to consider a blunder. The tactic takes a leaf out of the playbook used by Pakistan, which refused to acknowledge soldiers it lost in the Kargil invasion, allowing them to die and be buried anonymously. The Chinese Ministry of Civil Affairs have reportedly told families that any funeral services should be conducted remotely, not in person. Though the government had used the threat posed by the spread of coronavirus as a pretext, the assessment conducts that the new rules are a part of the deliberate effort by Beijing to undermine public awareness and erase any enduring reminders of the violent clash. The reality is they don't want to create martyr soldiers, so they have banned functions where friends and families can pay their respect for the PLA deceased, US News quoted and unnamed sources as saying. The intelligence assessment says China fears that image of the gravestones for its fallen soldiers of the People's Liberation Army or PLA could further stoke those sentiments if spread on Chinese or international social media. China still has not confirmed how many of its soldiers died in the clash, though figures ranging from 12 to 35 have appeared in public domain. India acknowledged the death of 20 soldiers who were memorialized with due honor and ceremony. The growing US-China rift and tensions come even as Beijing is attempting to challenge New Delhi's historical ties with Nepal and Iran, among the other countries in its neighborhood. China is reported to be on the verge of signing a $400 billion, a 25-long strategic pact with Iran that will not only cock a knock at Washington, which has long been at odds with Tehran, but also challenge India's foothold at Chabahar port, which provides a lifeline to Afghanistan. Bureau Report.